Welcome to the PharmaLinkage platform, where we simplify the process of shortlisting manufacturing facilities for your pharmaceutical needs. In this video, we'll guide you through how to efficiently shortlist manufacturing facilities on our platform. Step 1. Sign in. Start by logging into your PharmaLinkage platform account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. It's quick and easy. Step 2. Search for facilities. After successful login, you will land on Business Lounge. Use the platform's search and filter options to find manufacturing facilities that match your specific requirements. Step 3. Explore facility profiles. Click on the Facility Profiles More Info button you're interested in. Here, you can find comprehensive information about their capabilities and services. Step 4. Shortlist facility. On the Business Lounge page, find the shortlist icon of your matched facility and click on it to shortlist that facility. Step 5. Shortlisted facility list. To view all shortlisted facilities, navigate to the Shortlisted menu, where you can see all the shortlisted facilities. If you want to remove any facility from the list, you can just click on same icon and it will remove facility from the shortlisted facilities list. Thank you for choosing PharmaLinkage platform for your pharmaceutical collaborations. If you have any further questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Drop us an email at wecare@pharmalinkage.com.